When it comes to fitness, so much of it is about getting results. I'm here to show you why the Commercial 1750 is one of the very best treadmills on the market. NordicTrack includes a 1-year iFit membership with your purchase. iFit is personal coaching, virtual classes, destination workouts, and programs expertly crafted to give you new experiences every day while helping you achieve results that you'll feel and see. From world-class trainers like Tommy Rivers-Pusey,
this is some of the most amazing scenery in the entire world.
Hannah Eden,
let's not waste any time.
John Peel,
all the way to the top, come on.
And so many more. And of course, including me, Johnny Gale. I have workouts from the red rocks of southern Utah to the stunning vistas of Iceland. And I can't wait for you to check them out. Personal training in your home, where your trainer live controls your machine to match the speed, incline, decline, and duration of each and every trainer's prescribed workout. Here's a taste of some of the incredible workouts you'll experience.
Good morning, I'm your personal trainer, and I got a great workout for you today. Let's go.
Come on, dig in, you got this.
We're overlooking Machu Picchu.
I'm taking up your incline. Sprint to the finish, let's go. You're almost there.
Let's hit some key features. The 10-inch Smart HD touchscreen brings every workout to life. One of my favorite features is the Flex Select cushioning deck. With 3% decline, all the way to 15% incline, you're gonna feel the ups and downs as I run you through the mountains of Hawaii. We pioneered the Space Saver design because we know space in your home is valuable. The size of the tread belt is optimized to give a long, powerful stride. Interactive, personal training in your home, on your time. It's incredible, and you're gonna love it.
The time is now. Set your fitness goals, and instead of walking toward them, run with the ProForm 505 CST Treadmill. This treadmill is powered by a rugged 2.5 continuous horsepower motor, so you'll never have to slow down. Bring your favorite entertainment with you. Attach your tablet to the integrated holder and watch your favorite shows. Browse the web or connect with friends, all while you work out. And use your tablet to tap into iFit, which takes you to thousands of incredible destinations all over the globe. Pick from a pre-planned route or map your own with Google Maps. Walk through the rolling hills of Scotland or hike the mountains of the Swiss Alps. The possibilities are endless. And iFit tracks your workout stats, provides professional training, and allows you to connect and share your progress with friends. And finding your speed is easy. Stop scrolling and use the quick speed controls up to 10 miles per hour, or burn calories just by walking. Increase incline with a single touch up to 10%. And no matter if you're walking or running, the innovative ProShocks cushion deck provides you with a softer landing so you can exercise comfortably. The spacious 20 by 55-inch deck provides room for you to run naturally as you would on the open road. And there's always a new challenge ahead. Choose from 18 preset workout apps, each designed by a certified personal trainer. And all of your workout stats are right where you need them. Track time, distance, speed, calories burned, and even access iFit through the 5-inch backlit display. Stay motivated by jamming out to your favorite tunes with crisp and clear audio delivered through a set of 2-inch speakers. The in-handle grips give you a fast and reliable heart rate readout to help you stay in your target heart rate zone. And we know how crucial it is to save space in your home, so we made it easy with the Space Saver design. Nothing is stopping you, so make the move now. Reach your fitness goals with the innovative 505 CST Treadmill from ProForm.
Goplus 4 horsepower fitness treadmill. Household private home gymnasium. Helps you to keep relaxed from stressful life and work. On this treadmill and exercise with it, you will lead healthier and happier life. Made of high-quality steel, the rubber damping design would greatly disperse shock, 0.5 to 12.5 miles per hour adjustable speed levels. 4 assistive LED digital displays and 1 7-inch LCD window to keep an eye on important stats. 56 inches by 20 inches thick rubber running belt. Easy folding mechanism and a soft drop system help you fold and unfold your treadmill safely. Considerable hidden iPad and a mobile phone holder. 18 preset programs for your quickly access. 0 to 15% incline change design.
Keeping fit and staying connected with your home fitness progress has never been easier with the CST 7705 treadmill with auto incline. The hydraulic soft drop system makes unfolding easy and safe. Seamless interaction with the Sunny Health and Fitness app for iPhone and Android. Simply connect your device to the treadmill and go. Real-time results and tracking are displayed and stored during and after your workout. Multi-display digital console shows and tracks all of your workout progress. Nine built-in workouts, preset buttons to quickly change your speed and incline, integrated device holder to securely place your phone or tablet. Treadmill deck provides ample space to run fast or go slow. Shock absorption technology makes walking or running softer on the joints. Enhanced handrails have integrated speed and incline control buttons with pulse sensors to estimate your current heart rate. Powerful motor can get the job done by reaching a top speed of 9 miles per hour. Stay hydrated and cool with 2 oversized bottle holders. Once you're done with your workout, see your training results by viewing your workout history. If you are done, this foldable treadmill can be folded and moved with the integrated transportation wheels. Start connecting and tracking your fitness to reach your goals today. The CST 7705 treadmill with auto incline will help get you there.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.